Hi Bharath,
Hi ma'am.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೀವು?
Yes, I am fine Bharath. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
So, ma'am, my name is Bharath. I completed my graduation in Srimati Kamala and Sri Venkappa Martanda Pagadi College of Engineering and Technology, Lakshmeshwar. And now I am come to Bangalore and I joined CMTI for training of interior designing and site management and construction management.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಇಯರ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಬರತ್ ನೀವು?
23 ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಶರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಸೊ ಹೇಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ CMTI ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
My Instagram.
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್.
Yes ma'am.
ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ? ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಡಿಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes ma'am.
ಸೊ ಏನೇನ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ ಬರತ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
AutoCAD, SketchUp ma'am. And standards, interior standards and construction US, BBS. More.
ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ನಿನ್ ಸೈಟ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. It's good experience.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಬರತ್? ಸೊ ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್? ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ರಾ?
Yes ma'am. So 7 interviews attend ಮಾಡಿ ma'am total.
ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ 7th ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ.
Yes ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ಭರತ್, ನಿಮ್ ಇದೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಹೇಳಿ, ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಶರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ತರ ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ?
It was very useful to ma'am because now freshers they will not get job anywhere because of the experience. Here we get training good and they will got placements.
Okay, fine. So what about your trainers and all? How was their approach to you?
They are very much friendly ma'am. They will teach very easy way to how to learn that.
Okay, and what about your Ashok sir? How was this motivation?
Yes, sir. He is also good ma'am. He will motivate how to grow our career in this industry.
Hope you are happy with your placements.
Yes ma'am.
So what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Bharat?
Join CMTI and learn more and get placements.
Okay, fine. So what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
It will help to learn more things ma'am, about interior and construction.
Fine. So thank you, Bharat. Thank you so much for your feedback. So all the best for your upcoming days and congratulations for your placements.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you, Bharat.